I'm Joanna Harper with Realty One Group. I'm at my newest listing at 608 Spaniel Lane in Belgrade, Montana, where you can have ample space, high-quality finishes, and great access to everything that Gallatin County offers. The extended covered patio can be accessed from an oversized sliding door from the living room. The ample primary suite boasts a separate tub and shower, dual vanities, and a spectacular walk-in closet. Another special feature of this home is the tandem 3-car garage, which is double deep along one side, allowing for additional storage of either vehicles or recreational equipment.